Sometimes you have to be able to believe that nothing in nature is important than you, and at other times you also have to believe that everything in nature is important, even than you. But whatever may be the case, when you are worried, uh, allow yourself for a moment to have the comfort in the thought that you came to this world wild and free, and the nature is wild and free. Forget your worries for a moment. Just relax. I hope you can come back gracefully after you have done that. Gracefully to your normal life.